Is your CV getting denied when applying for jobs? Are you tired of sending out countless applications only to receive silence in return? You are not alone. For many job seekers, a poorly crafted CV is the silent roadblock standing between them and their dream job. A CV is often the first impression you make on a potential employer. It's not just a document, it's your personal marketing tool. Yet so many people overlook its importance, resulting in missed opportunities and mounting frustration. Head over to www. I am going to mention the name of this best tool later in this video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. When your CV fails to showcase your true potential, it can lead to missed interviews, prolonged job searches, and a blow to your confidence. The consequences can be stressful, affecting not just your career, but your financial stability and overall well-being. But it doesn't have to be this way. This site contains best templates that you can just edit and download PDF for printing. Imagine having a CV that truly presents your skills and achievement. A CV that stands out from a pile and gets you noticed.